Well, I am so happy, so delighted that I was a part of this year 2025 Congressional Black Caucus event in Albany, New York. This event was informative, educational, inspirational, and everything good. They touched on so many topics, gender equality, and it was so amazing to see the young youths, young people, not even of 20, 40 years old, in their 20s and their 30s, they are assemblymen, assemblywomen, senators, and so on and so forth. How I wish that my own country, Nigeria, will recognize that educated children that we have in Nigeria. We call them the leaders of tomorrow, but we never give them a chance to be those leaders of tomorrow. Now I wish my country, as I set forward, and I asking those that has been in leadership years after years that do not want to get out of those leadership roles, that they have to give the youth, the ability to exercise their rights, to show us their ability. Come on now, why did they go to school? Did they go to school so that they ride or drive keke and keke? Did they go to university learning how to be doctors by the driving Uber? Is that it? We need to give them the chance. And we also need to give the women that brought the women the opportunity also for their voices to be heard. And for them to be in the role of leadership, we need to give them a chance. And this event has opened up my eyes a lot, opened up my heart, opened up this little brain that I have right here of what that needs to be done. Let me tell you honestly, I've known Senator Sanders for many, many years. He's very active. I love that he gives the young children ability to grow. And I met the governor of New York today for the first time. Right woman, beautiful woman, encouraging woman. Listen, we need women to be in many leadership roles. We need women to be governors, and we need women to be presidents. We need women voices to be heard. When I saw her today, I said, listen, I will be the next governor wherever I am. Even if it means raising up to be the next president wherever I am. She gave me the inspiration today to be more than what I am today.